TGQ kid, just the person I've been waiting for. Do I have a story for you? Okay, so it's Sunday afternoon, and Chris is in a dilemma. He has had a project that he has known about for weeks. And I'm pretty sure we've all been there, but he has been making excuse after excuse for why he can't work on it. And now it's due tomorrow. Well, he's sitting there trying to get started on it when I walk in and I say, "Hey bud, it's time to get ready to go to the park to meet up with your friends." This is his dilemma. What does he do? Does he grab his shoes and run out the door to go hang out with his friends at the park? Which he wants to do. Or does he say, "You know what, Mom? I would love to, but I really have to work on a project. And if I go to the park, I probably won't have the time to really put the effort into it that I would like to." Which one do you think he chose? Did he go to the park to hang out with his friends? Or did he decide to stay home and work on his project that's due tomorrow? Okay, let's go to Monday. Monday, he's walking up to the school and he sees his friends and he can hear them laughing and just going on about the awesome, amazing time at the park. Pause. What is he feeling in that moment? Can he not wait to run over and talk to his friends about the awesome, amazing time that they had? Or is he feeling maybe sad or jealous that he didn't get to go? Or I shouldn't say didn't get to go, but he chose not to go because it was his choice, right? Okay, now let's move into the classroom. Chris has his project and he goes to turn in his work. How's he feeling? Is he feeling confident that he put in the work that was needed to get a good grade? Or is he feeling kind of queasy, knowing that this isn't his best work? Or maybe he doesn't even have a project and he's walking up to his teacher to maybe ask for an extension or to come up with some lame excuse as to why he didn't. Okay, fast forward now to the next Friday. Chris is talking with his friends in the class. He is super excited for the weekend. They have no homework, no tests, no quizzes to study for. He is free to do what he wants over the weekend. But before the class heads out, the teacher says, "Hey guys, I have your projects from a couple weeks ago and they're all graded. Let me pass them out before you guys head home for the weekend." Pause. Before anything is said, before he sees his grade, how's he feeling now? Okay, TGQ kid, you up for a mental challenge? Okay, here it is. So, as you can see, I've got some groceries back here. We went grocery shopping together as we go every week, right? Well, we buy some cereal. It's gonna last you for about 5 meals. We get some eggs, 6 meals. Yogurt for 4 meals. Some meat, chicken or steak, turkey, whatever meat that you prefer. And we got that, and it's gonna last us for 7 meals. And then we got sandwich bread. And our sandwiches are going to last us for, let's say, 10 meals. How are you gonna split up your food? Are you gonna eat all the yogurt in the first day because you just love yogurt? Or maybe what you do is instead of eating a full serving of yogurt, you go, hey, I'm gonna only eat half serving. So instead of it only lasting me 4 meals, I'm gonna get 8 meals with yogurt. It doesn't matter how you eat your food. What matters is the fact that the food that you bought is the food that you bought. And so if you decide to eat all the cereal in the first 2 days, that when it comes to Thursday, you're gonna be out of luck if you really want cereal. But that's a learning lesson, right? Okay, let's put it a different way. You get 7 food bucks every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 every day. Every day you get a brand new 7 food bucks. And you can just spend your food bucks however you want to. And whatever you don't spend, you get to keep and save for another day. So here's the deal though. Each meal is gonna cost you 2 food bucks. So if you have 3 meals a day, that's 2 times 3, that's 6 food bucks that you're spending on your meals, but you get 1 left over that you can either use for a snack, which is 1 food buck, or you can save it for another day, so that way you can save up enough for a dessert, which is 2 food bucks. So as we just discovered, you're not gonna have enough food bucks each day to have 3 meals, a snack, and dessert. You're gonna have to choose what's important to you. What are you willing to live with? Do you need all 3 meals each day? 3 full meals? Or maybe you go, hey, I'm not a breakfast person, or maybe I usually eat big breakfast, so I don't need a lunch. So I only need enough for 2 meals. I'll eat a snack on that 3rd meal, which is gonna leave me then 2 food bucks for either dessert or to save for another day when maybe I'm really hungry. Or I have a friend who comes over and they want a snack, and now I have enough food bucks for us each to get a snack at the same time. Again, this is all budgeting. And budgeting is owning your actions. Your resources are your resources, and you only get so much. So how you use your resources is completely up to you. So yeah, maybe you sit there and you go, I'm gonna eat all the cereal in the first couple of days. And I'm gonna spend all my food bucks every day. You're always giving up something. Every time you say yes to something, there's always an unforeseen no that you're saying no to. There's also, when you say no to things, unforeseen space and opportunity for yeses in the future. And you don't always know what those possibilities are gonna be, whether it's gonna be something you wanna say yes to or no to. We just have to know that when we choose to do something, we need to own our actions. That yeah, maybe right now, I know in the future, I might not like that I said no right now, but in this moment, I need it. Because we're always going. It's like a river. We're always flowing and we're always moving. So we can't go backwards. We're always going forward. But sometimes we have to do what we need right now. So if you're like, I really need a snack right now, then it's okay to spend that food buck to get yourself a snack. But it's also okay to sit there and say, hey, I'm not actually hungry, so instead of spending an extra food buck that I don't need to be spending, I'm gonna save it for another day. So that way when I do want one, I've got the food buck available. Or if I want a dessert, I've got a food buck available to me. Owning your actions is about how you use your resources. And sometimes we use our resources and we're glad that we used our resources the way that we did. And other times it's a learning opportunity where we're learning about ourselves and that, hey, I don't like this. So next time when this comes along, I'm gonna change my approach. All of it is good. all of it makes you a better you, a smarter you, and a stronger you, because you're learning about you, you're learning about how the world around you works, and you're learning about how to actually use your resources and to take responsibility for them. So, keep owning your actions, TGQ kid. Okay, TGQ kid, you know what time it is. Let's bring it in and lock this down. Say it with me. I am a TGQ kid. I train daily to become better. I stay grounded in who I am, and I'm quick to do the right thing. You've got it down. Great job. And always remember this, TGQ kid, that you are perfectly, uniquely you. And the world wouldn't be whole without you. Well, until next time, kiddo.